So welcome back to what's going to be the final video on this Landrover Defender project that I've been working on now for a number of months. Basically just going to run through the bits and pieces I've done. The guy I work with, he'll be collecting it later on, so it'll be interesting to see his reaction to it. Basically just running through it, looking at the side here. We've replaced all the door, window seals, rubbers, the mirrors, also the roof rack. Had the roof rack off and it was shot blasted in part due to a plastic coating on it. The shot blasters actually had a nightmare with it, so the parts that needed them were shot blasted, and then I've wrapped around that to make it textured because there's plenty of life left in it still. Moving inside, we had all new rubbers put everywhere and door seals anywhere that needed. Sorry, not all the rubbers, the back rubbers. All the door seals were replaced. Interior wise, it just needed a good clean, obviously, from having it for a while, so that's been replaced. Windscreen was removed, new windscreen rubber on, and that was also the corrosion we had around the windscreen, around the sides, so that window was removed, all the corrosion taken out. As you can see, it's all perfect now, and then a new rubber fitted, and that's a heated windscreen as well, so that was replaced, put back in again. Moving forward, the light grills and the grill and the light surrounds, they were the original silver. All we did is scotch brite that down, a bit of lacquer just to smarten it up and to freshen it up, and then brand new front bumper, brand new air conditioning radiator which is just in behind, and obviously the air conditioning regassed. Everything in the engine bay, all the rusty bolts, nuts were taken out, replaced or painted or cleaned or whatever it needed. Moving down the side of the vehicle, again, mirrors were replaced, side steps were painted, rubbed down and painted because they were still in good condition, and driver's side, again, just very clean. Like I said, it's a very low mileage vehicle, so it didn't really need much done, just a good spruce up. Moving to the back, which you're not going to be able to see, we had corrosion down there which has been cut out, ground out and painted. I don't actually want to pull that rubber off to show you because I've sealed it all on, and like I said, the new rubber's replaced in the back doors as well, and as you can see, no wear in the seats or anything. It's really clean colour. Moving down the back then, which we originally hadn't planned, but I got these light guards and the ladder, there was no problems with that. They were shot blasted and painted. New rear step. There was a bit of corrosion up along here which we took out as well and painted that bit, and then the underneath was all a combination of stone chip, wax oil, and then some protective oils just underneath it all. So that's the whole underbody done. So pretty much that is the vehicle complete. So that is the end of this project. Moving on to the series Landrover, which you'll see shortly, is a previous project which I painted, and then due to COVID the guy never got it built up and finished, so we're going to be doing a bit of test driving in that and also polishing and finishing it off. But I'd like just to thank all my recent subscribers, and please consider subscribing. If you're watching this content and you like it, go ahead and click the button. You can also put up notifications that'll tell you when there's a new video released, and also if you consider liking and sharing this video to anybody else you think might interest, it's great feedback, it's great motivation for me, and it lets me see the sort of content you're enjoying. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in future videos.